Hey guys, Glenn here. Have you been looking for the best shelving unit that's going to fit your particular print farm? Well, I found one that fits mine exactly to my specifications. There's a couple things that I needed. It needed to be expandable, it needed to be easily movable, lightweight, make sure that it doesn't move as much so that it affects the printer. So it has to be sturdy, and it has to fit Prusa MK3S's to the best of their ability. I think that this shelving unit really does a great job. I think I lucked out by buying this specific shelving unit because if I tried other ones, I just never would have been happy. So this one is cheap enough that you can expand it. It's I was buying them for 90 to 150 bucks, something like that. I'm not sure what they are online right now, but I'll link it below. All right, guys, let's dive in. This is the new shelving unit. You can see it's got bay for two MK3Ss, two more MK3Ss, and then at the bottom, if you want, you can either use it for storage as well as the top, or you can use it for a Prusa Mini, like that one over there. As you can see, I got storage up top of every single color, and then you can do two MK3Ss or whatever printer fits that similar size, and then you can do two more on the bottom. I just have an mini there until I get rid of it, honestly. And then on the bottom you can do two minis, or you could do storage. Like right now I do storage. So I'm gonna have all MK3Ss, so you can't fit a third one on there unless you do something different with the spool holder. These spool holders fit perfectly. You can see right above there, plenty of room to get in and out of there. So these are both the same sizes, these two shelves. And then the bottom is a little smaller. So you're either going to want to do a mini, or you're going to want to do storage. Or if you do an MK3S, it's going to have some other spool holder. I'd rather just get another shelving unit. Now, another thing to note, why I didn't get one of those really big shelving units that you can fit like 3 or 4 printers across, is because I wanted to put stuff in the middle. Like I have my trash can in the middle here. Having it all connected, not only would that be very heavy and very expensive, because they run $300 to $800 depending on how sturdy you want it, this lets me be able to move them around if I need to, because they come with these little rubber boots that you put on there, right there. So it'll slide across the floor without you scratching it, hopefully. A couple attachments that I've added to this, just to give you guys some ideas on to make your print shop more efficient, like the trash can in the middle, for instance. Because you really don't want to be walking around back and forth. I printed out this IPA, 99% IPA holder. This one's a little big, so if I ever get the big ones, it's okay, but you just screw it right to the side there, boom, you got your IPA. I also have these little nifty things that I really recommend you guys get. I can link it below if you guys want. You just pull them right off. When you're done printing, you just cut it, snip, snip, and then you take this, you put it on the side of the roll, boom, just like that, and then it clips right into this thing right here, and you're good to go. And that's how I hold every single one in, for instance. They all got clips on them. Every bay here is a different color, so I got white here, black here, gold here, gray, purple, pink, etc. So I could just take a quick glance and check out what am I missing. If you guys are interested, this is the surge protector that I use. I'll show you up close. This surge protector specifically has 6 different plugs, with one that's offset, which is really nice, and then 3 USB plugs. So for the price, you can't beat it. By the way, do not forget your fire extinguisher. Have at least 1 or 2, preferably not this close to the unit. I just have this unit here right now before I get another one and move them around. But you want fire extinguishers, at least 1 on each side of the room that you can grab, because you'd rather have it and not use it than not have it and really want it. Now the link that I'm going to provide you is the link to this shelving unit, but it will look a little different because it's a 5-shelf unit. You're not going to use all 5 shelves because it wouldn't fit anything. I mean, you could put, if you want, you could put the last shelf there, but what I did was you can see how this is a little higher here. I just doubled it up on the top. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you got any value out of this video, please like it so other people like your fine selves can find it as well. Have a good day.